we'll be playing in a different world that I had made a long time ago, and basically it's a world. So today I'm going to be making potions. Yeah. I'm going to test something. I'm a noob. So what we're going to be doing is redstone. I don't know why, but I just feel like because I have no idea. But we'll see. Put a lot of our stuff I do need later on. Be done now. Potion. Does redstone? No. But you know what I will be doing? I will be making stuff. Like, I think I'll make and then I'm gonna make strength potion. I won't just be making potions, I'll be exploring my world. I would like to explore this world. My potion almost done. Let's go explore the world. I just want to make a few potions before I left. Making stuff in here. Actually, I don't really need that. I will not any of that stuff. I need more of my water bottles. So these actually no, it looks too much of this. Take all this out and put it in the plate. And put all my stuff Yep. Let's go explore the world. I don't really need my pickaxe, but I will take it anyways. You know, let's take a strength potion with me, just because I like strength potions. So organize our stuff here. I just need to find a way to get back. So I'm going to be leaving where I need to. Okay, so first of all, we need to go in a random direction. I'm thinking, I think I'm going to go this way. So let's here, this way. And I'm not going to cut ahead in the video just because we might find some interesting stuff. So let's just go ahead and see what we can find. What can we find today? Well, what can we find? Let's go this way. I'm just going in a random direction. I have never gone here before. I thought that was a cave for a second. Whoa, look at this. It's like a big field. Died from fall damage. Haha, you die. I got food. Okay, so let's just go and explore. I'm just gonna keep going straight because I feel like it. saw something. Chickens! Haven't seen some of these in a while. Go ahead and collect some of these. Pigs! Pigs! Come on. Okay. Wow. Whoa! Why is my collecting coal on me? So, let's just not get distracted. Where was I last? Over here. So, what we're gonna be... I thought I saw something. Let's see. Oh, I thought I saw some fire pop out of that chicken. Thank you for your cooperation. I'm dying. I'm really happy that you chose to cooperate with me, or else you would have been dead right then. Let's just see if we can do anything. Collect anything. Excuse me. Whoa! I haven't known about these caves before. Stay on track. So where do we want to explore? I think we should head. I'm just saying that because I don't really want to explore that far. So when I get back, I think I'll end the episode here, and we'll do some more stuff later. So just find our way back. Okay, how do we find our way back? Pretty sure we should go this way, because I just saw some cobblestone there. And let's just go and go back to our house. So, I know this episode was for like no reason. I just thought that it would be a good idea to make something like this. I don't know why. Don't ask me. But I thought it would be a good idea. Let's test it out. So, Ooh, I need it one more. Okay, there. That should work. I see towers over there where I've made before. I just made them for a reason, but it should be like to help me get back somewhere. And let's just kill this cow while we still can, because he feels like to be killed. And it looks like he does. And there's our house in the distance. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video, and I will see you all later. Bye!